This is when you know that you've made some seriously delicious ugali, when the crust of the ugali comes straight off from the pot. So I'm going to be showing you how I make my ugali each single day, and the ugali turns out amazing with a very nice smoky flavor. To make ugali, you need 2 key ingredients. That is your maize flour and water. Also, you need 2 kitchen utensils. That is a wooden spatula for spinning or turning your ugali, and a heavy bottomed pot, just like mine. When it comes to maize flour, you have the packed one that you buy in the supermarket, and also you can buy from the posho mill, which is a little bit different. And the posho one, I prefer the posho one because it turns out very delicious. It has a very nice taste. Now, straight to cooking. You're going to place your heavy bottomed pot over high flame and add in 3 cups of water. Then you're going to wait for the water to come to a boil. Once your water is roughly bubbling, you're going to reduce the flames to medium-low. This is how I usually do it. Scoop out a little bit of water, about a cup. Then I'm going to gradually add in my flour as I mix using my spatula. Reducing the flames to medium-low is going to help you to get rid of the lumps in your ugali as you mix using your spatula, just like this. When you notice that your ugali doesn't have any lumps, you're going to gradually add in your maize flour in your pot at a time while mixing using your spatula until you have a soft ugali. So I reserved a cup of water just in case I add in too much flour in the ugali, so that I can add in my hot water. But it just turns out perfect. The ugali is soft. So I'm going to be cooking my ugali for around 5 minutes over medium flame. As I said earlier, I'm using the posho maize flour. So it takes a little bit of time to cook until it's ready. So carefully, I'm going to flip my ugali as it cooks so that it can cook on all sides. You need a lot of muscle if you're making ugali, maybe for your entire family. As you're cooking your ugali, you'll notice that your pot is browning on the bottom. That means that the process of cooking ugali is just perfect. Once your ugali is ready, you're going to mold your ugali just like this. This is how we do it. Then, once done, you're going to put out the flame. And when the ugali is ready, you're going to catch a very lovely smoky aroma from cooking your ugali. That is when you know that your ugali is ready. So using my kitchen towel, I'm going to flip my ugali on my plate. Look how easy. The ugali came straight off from the pot. Then I'm going to flip my ugali and it's ready to serve for my family. After you've served up your ugali, this is how we do it. We use a knife and cut our ugali that it can be easier for everyone to pick a piece while enjoying their lunch or dinner. Just like that. And to know if your ugali was cooked perfectly, there you go, guys. How do you call this in your mother tongue? We call it makulio. And also I know it's called marondo. So you can tell me in the comment section what you call the crust that is formed while making your ugali. Yeah, and the ugali has turned out perfect. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be giving this recipe a try and it will turn out amazing.